Here is how you will submit your family's evidence analysis and program improvement tables. On the left menu, go to Weekly Folders. In the Weekly Folders content area, select Week 8 Families. Scroll down until you find Families Peer Editing and you do View Complete Assessment. Select it, and then you'll select Question 1, and you will copy and paste your information here. And then you select Submit. I'm not going to do this because if I do, then I'm added to all of the evaluations and I don't really have anything to evaluate. So let me know if you have further questions, and I hope you get a lot of valuable feedback from your peers. Thanks.